change it into Akrapovic exhaust system. Before changing into a new exhaust system, let's check the sounds. Okay. Good one. Sounds like this. Very right. Ooh. Very small. Very right and small, but expensive. First of all, I'm a Sweden. And in English. Oh. Cover. Exhaust systems here. Yes, nice. This is nice. So. Okay. Yes, living wing, everything. Yeah. Dangerous. Good. That's a big difference. Sounds volume caused by a catalyzer. Almost no changing without the silencer. The volume is the same. You put off the catalyzer. Yes, and put off the wire. The front side is black and the outside, and the back side is in the silver. And here it's like this one. I must remove the wire to changing the maybe exhaust system. So I bought this one to loosen the fastener of the exhaust pipe here. I need this one and a 5mm hexagon wrench, which are maybe a 30 centimeters length, a backside pipe, a clamp. Yeah, loosen. Yes, that's the back pipe. This one is a free joint with a 5mm hexagon wrench and a narrow stick. Okay, I'll try. At last, I bought this one to take with the clamp of the exhaust pipe. Is it possible or not? I don't know. Yes, it's easy. Easy to take off. Yes. You can take off. Yes, I can take off. Yes, and it downs. How's it? Yes, next is an Akrapovic pipe. I must set up So Mr. Putin says, and this so many problems appears, but going well. It's on the side of the VMAX. This is rear side exhaust pipe. Yes, and two, and the front side is here. Okay, I'll take a pipe. And also, oh, beautiful. Mr. Putin's Akrapovic. Yes, and Akrapovic and straight pipe. Oh, straight pipe, maybe very big sound, maybe. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Too much. It's impossible to drive on road, maybe. Better to put the normal muffler. It's so big. Much too big. かっこいい。やばいねこれ。やばいやばい。No. Yes, I installed Akrapovic. Mr. Putin's Akrapovic muffler and sound check. It must be hard. Must be hard. Nice sound. Nice sound. マジかよ。なんとも言えねえこれ。Okay. And the new Akrapovic. Akrapovic. How to pronounce? I don't know. Okay. As I tried. Almost explosion.